My question for you is, if the world could just learn one thing from the monks here in Bhutan, what would you hope that would be? What would your message be?
Actually, it's not from the Bhutan also, but from the Buddhist point of view. We just try to tame our mind to think and focus on the present moment, but there should not be any affection with any of these five poisons: desire, anger, delusion, pride, and envy. We are all suffering because of these five poisons. Nobody wants to have such kind of cyclic existence of this suffering. All of us want to have a very happy life, but the life in this world is a very short one, impermanence, and we are not going to live forever,
Yeah.
Even the Buddha said that we have the seat of the happiness, but since it has been covered with these five poisons, we are not able to feel it, or we are not able to bear the happiness. Just like you see lotus flower. Lotus flower is actually born from the mud, but when it starts blooming the flowers, you see the buds or the flowers are without any mud or without any stain, you see. Just like that.
That's beautiful.
We are born in this cyclic existence of the suffering. But if we just move on with the better life, following the teachings of the Buddha, or having the very good life, not attachment with the end of the five poisons, and we are moving the better life, and we can rise up from this suffering world, and we will be also getting the enlightenment. We all can have life of the enlightened.